Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing materials and deciding what the gift letter will promise. This is the only way to keep it focused. Once done, measure and cut a cardstock to your preferred size and fold it cleanly. Make sure to establish the tone, formal versus casual, because that sets word choice. Next, write a one-sentence gift statement that clearly names the gift or amount and the giver and recipient. Finally, draft a short outline to guide the rest of the wording. You now fill in the core paragraph with clarity and purpose. Explain how the gift works and why it matters. Begin with a warm greeting, then state explicitly the gift, exact dollar or item, and the effective date. Once done, add any conditions or timelines in one concise sentence to avoid confusion. Make sure to include both parties' full names and a line for signatures. Use short sentences and one specific example to illustrate how the gift will be used. You finish by signing, dating, and sealing the card. If formal validity matters, have it notarized. Once done, add a short closing line and a quick personal note to reinforce sincerity. Make sure the envelope is labeled clearly and consider a secondary copy for your records. If you spot a mistake, do not obscure it. Either neatly cross out with initials and date beside the correction or reprint the letter and note that it supersedes the prior version. That single troubleshooting step preserves trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.